Today we are going to study about the cyclostomata, that is subphylum vertebrata or cranium can be divided into two superclasses. First one is the Agnatha and second one is Gnathostomata. Further, the Agnatha can be divided into two groups. First one is the ostracodermy and second one is the cyclostomata. Now this group cyclostomata can be divided into two classes. First one is the Petromyzontia and second one is the Myxinoidea. First we study about the salient features of class Petromyzontia, that is the fishes or animals which include in this class Petromyzontia are all lampreys, and they are ectoparasitic. That means they live outside the body as a parasite. Parasite means that is they live on the cost of the host. Then body is elongated, that is like the eelfish, and it grows up to 3 feet in length. There are presence of two types of fins, that is dorsal and caudal fins, which are well developed. They can live in water as well as in marine water. The tentacles are present around the circular mouth. That is, these tentacles, that is the beating of the tentacles help the mouth to catch the prey. The buccal funnel is well developed with many teeth. Then tongue is present encircled by the teeth. Respiratory pharynx is well developed. That is, this pharynx is helpful for the system, that is the respiratory system. Then presence of 7 pairs of external gill apertures, that is 7 pairs of external branchial apertures are seen. Movement of water into and out of gill pouches is through 7 pairs of external gill or branchial apertures only. This is because the mouth is engaged in the attachment to the host body. Then there is no dorsal median nostril. That means generally the nostril is present at the dorsal side and median to the body. There is presence of lateral line system. Internal ear is with two semicircular canals. The eggs are small and the development is indirect. That means from small animal it develops into an adult one, that is indirectly. Free swimming larva is called ammoset. That is, the larvae of these animals are free swimming and they call ammoset. A fluid is produced in the lamprey's mouth. That is, it is called lampredine. This lampredine prevents victim's blood from clotting. Example, petromyzon or lamprey. You see the animal, that is, we can differentiate the animal. Anterior, there is presence of head, and posterior, there is presence of tail. You see the fins. There are two types of fins. That is, first one is dorsal fin. There are two dorsal fins. One is first dorsal fin and second dorsal fin. And posteriorly, there is a caudal fin. We can differentiate the head, trunk, and the anus. You see, in the head region, there is presence of the buccal funnel through which the prey enters into the body. There are presence of 7 pairs of external gill slits. You see, there is presence of the lateral line system. Now the class second of group cyclostomata, that is myxinoidea. We will see the salient features of class myxinoidea. That is, all the animals which belong to class myxinoidea are strictly marine. They are commonly called slime eels. That is, these produce a large quantity of slime. So they are called slime eels. These are also called as hag fishes. That means hag means ugly woman, that is with soft wrinkled lips. They are mainly scavengers, that is they burrow into the head or dying fish and feed upon flesh. That means they are called scavengers, sometimes seen as endoparasites. That is, they live inside the body. Mouth is surrounded by 3 to 4 pairs of cartilage supported tentacles. That is, these tentacles help the animal for the movement of water, that is ultimately they are taken inside the body. No buccal funnel. Tongue is with 2 rows of smaller teeth. Nostril opens into the mouth. During breathing, water enters through nostril. There is no separate respiratory pharynx. Dorsal fin is poorly developed. Then caudal fin is small. Lateral line system is absent in all these animals. Internal ear is with only one semicircular canal. Eggs are large and development is direct. Example, myxine. You see the example, that is myxine. The body is elongated like a eelfish. The body is divided into head, trunk, and tail. The head bears mouth, that is surrounded by the sensory tentacles, and the caudal fin is present at the tail region, and the median ventral fin is present at the trunk region. So that is all about the cyclostomata.